Southwest 3214, runway 24 left, lane, line up, wait.
Left wait, 24 left, Southwest 3214.
Southwest 3214, turn left heading 210, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Left turn to 210, clear for takeoff, 24 left, Southwest 3214.
Southwest 3237, Los Angeles, runway 24 left, line up, wait.
24 left, line up, wait, Southwest 3237.
Skywest 3308, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Hey, sorry for the confusion, however, departure Skywest 3308. Good day, sir.
Yeah. Hainan 487 Heavy Los Angeles Tower, wind 26011, runway 24 right, quarter line.
Runway 24 right is Cedar Land, Hainan 487.
Southwest 3237, company is going to turn south on out of your way. Wind 25010, RNAV Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Delray 24 left, clear for takeoff, Southwest 3237.
Southwest 3214, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Oh, departure 3214. Departure Southwest 3214, 12,700 to 5,000, heading 210.
South 3214, SoCal departure, radar contact, time and maintain 17,000.
17,000, Southwest 3214.
Turn left heading 190.
Departure, good afternoon, Southwest 3237, went down to 1605, 5,000.